The Russian sleep experiment is a chilling and unsettling creepy story that emerged as an internet urban legend. While the story is fictional, it is written in a way that creates a sense of horror and suspense. Please be aware that the following story contains disturbing and graphic content. In the early 1940s, during the height of the Soviet Union's power, a group of political prisoners were selected to participate in a top-secret experiment aimed at testing the effects of prolonged sleep deprivation. The prisoners were promised their freedom if they could endure the experiment without sleeping for 30 days. The subjects were locked inside a sealed chamber equipped with only a bed, basic necessities, and two-way mirrors for observation. The researchers monitored the subjects closely, eager to witness the effects of extreme sleep deprivation. At first, the prisoners tried to stay awake by engaging in conversations and physical activities. However, as the days passed, they began to show signs of extreme fatigue and psychological distress. They exhibited paranoia, hallucinations, and bouts of extreme rage. As the experiment progressed, the prisoners' behavior became increasingly erratic and disturbing. They claimed to see horrifying visions and begged the researchers to let them out. The scientists, however, were determined to continue their study, observing the subjects' deteriorating mental states with detached curiosity. On the fifth day, one of the prisoners started screaming uncontrollably, his voice becoming hoarse from constant shouting. Another prisoner began tearing apart the pages of a book and smearing them on the chamber's walls, attempting to fashion makeshift windows to the outside world. By the 10th day, several subjects had fallen into a catatonic state, staring blankly into space and exhibiting signs of extreme psychosis. The researchers wondered how long the human mind could endure such sleep deprivation. On the 15th day, the subjects' behavior took a gruesome turn. They turned on each other, engaging in violent acts of self-harm and attacking their fellow prisoners. The researchers were horrified, but continued to observe in the name of science. As the 30th day approached, only a few subjects remained alive, their bodies mutilated, and their sanity shattered beyond repair. They had not slept for a month, and their minds had descended into a living nightmare. When the day of the experiment's conclusion arrived, the researchers decided to terminate it prematurely. They opened the chamber, only to be met with an unimaginable sight. The surviving subjects had lost all semblance of humanity. They attacked the researchers with superhuman strength, their eyes filled with an unnatural, malevolent glow. In a fit of terror, the scientists unleashed the chamber's gas to neutralize the prisoners. The researchers then entered the chamber to assess the damage, only to discover the grotesque aftermath of the experiment. The true horror, however, awaited them outside the chamber. The prisoners' bodies lay lifeless, but their eyes still glowed with an eerie light. The researchers realized that something supernatural had been unleashed in the process, something they could not control. In the end, the Russian government covered up the experiment, hiding the horrific truth from the world. The details of the incident were classified, and the story remained hidden until it leaked as an internet legend, captivating readers with its tale of sleep deprivation, madness, and the unknown. Remember, the Russian sleep experiment is a work of fiction designed to provoke fear and unsettle readers. Creepy stories like this one are meant to be enjoyed as works of horror fiction and not taken as historical events.